Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Just a quick demonstration to illustrate refraction. Check it out. All you need for this lab is just a glass, some water, and a card with an arrow drawn on it. Start out by propping your card up behind the glass. And then while you're watching the direction of that arrow, start to slowly add water to your cup. And keep watching the direction of that arrow as your cup fills with water. You'll notice something happens. The arrow changes direction. Notice behind it, the arrow is pointing one way, but as you look through the water, the arrow is definitely pointing in the opposite direction. So the essential question is, why does the arrow change direction? So remember, the refraction is when light can change its direction or it can change its speed as it moves through a different medium. So when you see light traveling through the water, it moves a little slower. When light travels through the glass, it moves even slower. And so as light travels through that different medium, the arrow flips because light is changing its direction and it's moving even slower as it goes through the water and the glass. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration in RamZland. See you next time.